Hello Woodwards, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Using this our app you can easily create checklist for the task and linked with task and also display percentage in task screen that which checklist is completed stage. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev Project Task Checklist. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to projects and see here this menu task checklist. Create new like a task 1. Right. Let's save. Another is task 2. Read. Let's save. And third one is a task 3. Test it. Let's save. Now go to projects. Go to anyone like office design and see here this task checklist. Now add here your created task 1. So see here description is automatically loaded based on selection checklist. Now add task 2 and task 3. Let's see. So see here task 1 4. I select complete stage. So see here this percentage. Now complete for task 2. Again back this task and see here. Now display 67 because total here 3 but 2 completed, so display here 67 and also display in Kanban view. Thank you.